Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Everything today is just nothing but good news right now. It's kind of crazy. So, start things off, we got the Federal Reserve is looking at whether launching its own digital currency could be an effective counter to private initiatives such as Libra. We talked about Libra, I think, a couple days ago, and then a few days ago before that. Anyways, Lael Bernard, who sits on the U.S. Central Bank's Board of Governors, said Wednesday the Fed is conducting research and experimentation related to distributed ledger technologies and their potential use case for digital currencies, including the potential for a CBDC, which is a central bank digital currency. Transforming payments digitalization has the potential to deliver greater value and convenience at lower costs. Bernard said in a speech delivered at the Stanford Graduate School of Business in California, the U.S. dollar's global importance means the Fed needs to remain on the frontier of both research and policy development regarding digital currencies. So, yeah, there's not a whole lot of regulation right now for cryptocurrency. I mean, there's just like capital gains, income tax, and I don't know, a whole lot of other ones. Taxing. I know a lot of other countries have a lot of crazy regulations and stuff, but the US hasn't done much about it. Anyways, so here's Bitcoin's uptrend is gathering pace and many altcoins are surging too. There has been so much bullish activity lately. I mean, you can just tell by looking up here, everything's green. Bitcoin SV, that's red. Obviously, it's a scam. Talked about that a few days ago as well. Anyways, Bitcoin bulls pushed prices to fresh 3 months highs above 9,700, reinstating the bull view aborted by a doji candle earlier this week. Where was, yeah, so let's see, above 9,700. We're almost at 9,800. When I hopped on earlier, it was at 9,800. And yeah, it's just, I'm just really hoping for that 10K. The indicators on the daily and weekly charts are signaling strong bullish momentum. Bitcoin could test the psychological resistance of 10,000 in the near term. Pullbacks, if any, could be short-lived. I've got a puppy in my room, and it's really hard to do this. Anyways, while Bitcoin's rally has gathered pace in the last 24 hours, other major cryptocurrencies have put on a better show. Bitcoin, the top cryptocurrency by market value, found bids near 9,100 during the Asian trading hours on Wednesday and rose to a fresh 3-month high of 9,755 during the U.S. late session. A convincing break above 9,600, a level from which Bitcoin turned lower earlier this week, has revived the immediate bullish view aborted by Monday's doji candle. At press time, Bitcoin is changing hands at 96.15, representing a 4% gain on a 24-hour basis, according to CoinDesk's Bitcoin Price Index. Just climbing. It was only like a month ago we were sitting at like 8,000, 7,500, 7,200. Now, yeah, it's just crazy. This is exchange deposits and Bitcoin slide to lowest level in 3 years. The number of Bitcoin on-chain deposits has dropped sharply over the last 6 months, indicating a strong, optimistic, or hodling sentiment on the market. 7-day average of the number of transfers to exchange addresses or unique daily exchange deposits fell to basically 23,000 on January 1st. That's the lowest level since November 2016. Comes after topping out at 58,000 at the end of June 2019, according to crypto analytics firm Glassnode. The number has since inched up to 27,000 as of February 4th. So this is right here. It indicates increased hodling, which is just holding, a sign of strengthening belief in the long-term viability of the cryptocurrency, according to the Ashish Singhal. Oh my god, I cannot talk this morning. CEO and co-founder of CruxPay and CoinSwitch.co. Hodlers are not in it for the get-rich-quick mentality and are now less fazed by micro factors that previously led to an exodus or panic sell. So people have been getting used to the whole panic selling thing. Like I had a couple friends and they would see Bitcoin drop by a couple $100 and they would just sell. And then it'd go back up buy a few more $100 and they'd buy. And I'm just like, you realize you just lost money. Like, why? Just hold on to it. Don't worry about it. Don't buy more than you can afford. Just buy it, hold it, sit on it. That's all you gotta do. Anyways, here's more awesome news. Bitcoin achieves major milestone with 500 million transactions confirmed. The Bitcoin network has surpassed 500 million transactions since going live over 11 years ago. According to blockchain analytics site Satoshi, what? Okay. There have been 500 million transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain as of press time, and here's a chart showing the date. Was on, where is it? Right here on the 5th. So that was actually yesterday at 10. I don't know if that was PM or AM. It was a little after that. It's probably like 11. Anyways, here's a bunch of cool facts. The first ever Bitcoin transaction took place on January 12, 2009. Nakamoto and the late Hal Finney were the early contributors to the project. Nakamoto sent Finney 10 BTC as a test, which after the computer scientist began mining blocks himself. 10 months later, on October 5th, 2009, the new Liberty Standard set an initial Bitcoin exchange rate against the dollar. At the time, a dollar was worth 2,300 BTC. First ever transaction of Bitcoin for physical goods took place on May 22nd, 2010. The famous Bitcoin pizza saw 2 pizzas bought for 10,000 Bitcoin by Laszlo Hanyecz. The programmer had offered users on a Bitcoin Talk forum the BTC in exchange for 2 pizzas. A teenager named Jeremy Sturdivant, nicknamed Jerkos, accepted the Bitcoin and sent Hanyecz 2 pizzas from Papa John's. This marks the first commercial transaction for Bitcoin. That's crazy. So the first transaction was for pizza for 10,000. 10,000 Bitcoin. It's just insane. If you had that today, you would not trade it for 2 pizzas. Anyways, this is Major League Baseball players allegedly among victims of American crypto fund scam. Sorry, I'm just really distracted this morning. The Arizona District Attorney has announced that 2 men have been charged with fraud and money laundering services after allegedly duping victims, including octogenarians and a number of ex-Major League Baseball players, into investments in a bogus crypto investment fund. So basically, oh wait, no, where was it? Here it is. The DA said that John Michael Caruso, 28, and Zach Salter, age 27, were arrested and charged with conspiracy to commit wire fraud via their company Zima Digital Assets, a criminal compliant. Sorry, my freaking dog is driving me crazy. A criminal complaint filed by the American Secret Service to a state magistrate's court judge outlines how the duo allegedly embezzled millions of dollars worth of investor funds from June 2018 to January 2020. So they were just scamming people with Zima. To work in that market. That's just sad, dude. I don't know. Anyways. Like, they think they were gonna get away with that? The duo appears to have run the company as a Ponzi scheme, promising to reward investors for bringing new members on board. That's just... oh my... I don't even want to get into that. It's just annoying, like... luring people into cryptocurrency and then just robbing them is not gonna help anybody. We'll take a look at the market real quick. Everything is just doing so well right now. Bitcoin 2.46%, Ethereum 6.94. Go to the 24-hour change. Have Tron 13%, Ravencoin 12%, Omnis Go, Nexo, BTT, ISEX, Steam, blah 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 blah. What? A lot of these coins are scams. Like, okay, look at this. See, you have the 24-hour change. Where was it? Where did it go? 460,000, 4 cents each. That's bought X coin. I don't know what that is, but I would bet money it is a scam. Where's another one? Where is another one? Come on. So I was looking through them all earlier. Here's another one. crypto index. And just go through. That's cool. If you guys ever go on Coin Codex, you can click on any of these and it'll tell you all the news involving that certain type of crypto and stuff like that, and you can actually kind of figure out what everything is, what it does, where it came from, all the information that you need. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but yeah, I mean, just look at this. Just beautiful. Oh, it'd probably help if I go to this. Yeah, look, it is everything in the green right now. Anytime Bitcoin does good, just all the altcoins just seem to surge as well. And vice versa. Cardano 1.51%. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. So, hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Later.